Malki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Komisi Benta kejing rakhe ke World Earth Day, kebelang ka Paatrik uya yong ban lausnem, ke Dorbash nong Malki, kebelang Presbyterian Malki, ke Tenat Forest jong Sorka Meghalaya, bagi St. Peter School, lapi mendapat ba ke Khlaw Malki kum ke Ïing sa, jong Thapbalieh bagi sim babonjan. Dekan di kejing penmena lakhang persya bandara ke jiri siat sim, bagi tiar penmensa syapo ke Khlaw. Syuagani, kikina pulih jaga Malki Presbyterian Church School, ke Little Flower School, Seven Set School Malki, ke Lorto Convent Basit Edmund School, Kleshim Benta, hagajing yait rali, ke belas tang na pala juga Ïing Presbyterian, berdah Malki, Kleshnong. Hading kajing yait rali la penlong kajing alang ke Belingkon, de kajing sakilang jong dekat ke Dorbash nong, kumjuru na ke Belang Presbyterian, bana ke Tenat Forest ke Sorkar Jella.
And also congratulate you for taking up this beautiful concept to celebrate Mother Earth and to celebrate World Earth Day. Thank you so much.
I would like to congratulate all of you on 56th World Earth Day. If in the forest, if birds are there, it means that indicates that the health of forest is good.
You do not pollute the environment. A small effort that can be made by all of us, that we don't litter the place where we live. We are proud of our own society, we're proud of our own city, and we keep it clean.
All right, children, we are now going to inaugurate the Malki Forest Bird and Butterfly Haven by our Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Shri Harish Chaudhary, IFS. Let us all give him a big hand once it's done. Please give him a big hand.